What if a robot could clean your windows? That's our number one gadget. But first, here are 7 genius home and kitchen gadgets you need to see. Number 7. Your sink is probably dirtier than you think. And this is why. If soggy sponges and messy puddles drive you crazy, this kitchen sink Caddy organizer is a weirdly satisfying little upgrade you'll wish you had sooner. It sits neatly beside your sink and uses a built-in self-ring design to keep everything dry. Inside, you'll find separate compartments for your dish soap, sponge, and cleaning brushes, keeping everything organized and easy to grab. The upright design also helps your tools dry faster and stay fresher between uses. If you're tired of messy sink clutter and standing water, this simple organizer is definitely worth checking out. Number 6. Made from pure titanium. It sits flat on your countertop and handles everyday chopping with ease. Its durable metal surface resists deep scratches from regular knife use, giving you a sturdy prep space for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Number 5. This toaster is way slimmer than it looks. And that's the best part. Its sleek long slot design sits neatly against your backsplash, giving you more room to work. Powered by 900 watts, the extra long slot easily fits 2 regular slices or longer artisan breads, delivering even toasting without the hassle. Choose from 6 browning levels to get your toast exactly the way you like it. It also includes handy reheat and cancel buttons, making it easy to warm up toast or stop the cycle whenever you need. If you're tired of bulky toasters, this 2-slice slim toaster is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. Ever walk into a room and notice it just doesn't smell fresh? It pulls in air from every direction and passes it through a high-efficiency filtration system. It helps capture dust, pet dander, smoke, and other airborne particles before releasing cleaner air back into the room. It runs as quietly as 22 decibels, making it a great choice for bedrooms, offices, or anywhere you want a peaceful environment. If you're tired of lingering odors, dust, or stale indoor air, this compact home air purifier is definitely worth checking out. If your crispy fries turn soggy before everyone starts eating, this is a game-changing kitchen gadget. It features a sturdy base with an adjustable neck, allowing you to position the warming lamp exactly where you need it. Powered by 250 watts, it delivers steady, even heat to help keep fried foods, chicken, and other dishes warm while you finish preparing or serving your meal. And the standard 110-volt design makes it easy to use in most kitchens. If you're tired of serving food that's already gone cold by the time everyone sits down, this food heat lamp warmer is definitely worth checking out. If you're tired of messy bags and stale snacks, this storage set is a seriously satisfying upgrade. These clear containers let you see exactly what's inside at a glance, so there's no digging through messy packaging. The 4-sided locking lids with silicone seals create an airtight closure to help keep cereal, pasta, flour, sugar, and other dry foods fresher for longer. They're made from durable, BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. This complete storage set has become a popular choice for people who want a cleaner, more organized pantry without spending a fortune. If you're tired of cluttered cabinets, messy food bags, or snacks going stale too quickly, these airtight food storage containers are definitely worth checking out. Number 1. Cleaning windows by hand. You might never want to do it again. This smart window cleaning robot does the hard work for you. It securely attaches to your window using powerful 3,500 pascals vacuum suction, keeping it firmly in place while it cleans. Once started, its dual motorized cleaning pads glide across the glass, automatically removing dust, fingerprints, and everyday smudges. Dual water spray nozzles release a fine mist to help loosen stubborn dirt before the microfiber pads wipe it away. It also uses smart path planning to clean framed and frameless windows in a systematic pattern for more complete coverage. If cleaning tall or hard-to-reach windows is one of your least favorite chores, this window cleaning robot is definitely worth checking out. Which gadget was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.